Hello, here we have a beautiful, pretty much brand new Toyota Landcruiser, grade 5A. That's as good as you get. New car basically, 851,000 kilometres when we bought it. You can see that's the cleanest auction sheet I think you can get. And look at the front of it, look at the whole car. We've got the projector headlights, the fog lights. This is a Modelista body kit, which some of them have. We've got cameras everywhere. We've got parking sensors everywhere. And this is a stunning, stunning car. 21-inch Toyota alloy wheels. You see that's like new. So are the tyres. Look at that interior. Still freshly wrapped from factory, and it smells lovely. It's got that beautiful new car leather smell, which I love. You got speakers, aircon, everything's up there. This thing's got the works. Rear entertainment systems for both the rear passenger seats here. Got speakers on the doors, speakers in the roof, power seats, not a crease anywhere that's not meant to be there. There's the rear con, it's a phone setting, HDMI power settings, volume control. Likewise in the back, it's almost exactly the same. Beautiful cream leather seats. What a beauty. So this is the ZX. It's a 4.6 litre V8. Under here. Okay, that's going to open by itself once I touch the button. Look at that. Now these are all power seats. These will go down and up by themselves with a touch of a button. I'm not going to do it now because it's still got all these headrests on, and that headrest, if you want to put the seats automatically down, you probably shouldn't have it on there, because it will hit the back of the second row of seats, so I won't do it. But you can see it's all got power seats. Look at that, all lovely, clean, new, fresh bolts. Those wheels haven't got a scratch on them, as you'd expect. All the normal things, child locks, SRS airbags everywhere. Various controls, settings for the pre-settings for the seat, power seats everywhere. These are the lights and mirrors, parking sensors. Okay, this particular car has got a pretty fancy immobiliser. Okay, now it's flashing. I can put my foot on the brake and it will start. I don't think a drink has ever been in those cup holders. Look at that, we've got a cooler box in there. So that's all your that's the ETC card coming on. So obviously we've got leveling suspension, various diff locks. I'd say that's a hill climb. There's lots and lots of different features here. As you can see, I won't go through all of them because there's so many on there. I'd have to go and read the manual, I think. You can see with the various parking sensors, all-round cameras, and there's also sensors. If I drive, well, I haven't got anything close to me, but if I was to drive close to a car, it would tell me that. We've also got heating and cooling seats, I believe. USB. It's always nice to have. Now, this one we've translated the system or the computer here into English, which you can do with all of the modern Toyotas. When I say modern, from about 2016 onwards. And it's packed with safety features. Yeah, here's automatic tyre pressures. Saying I've got a door open. A compass in case you get lost. Your GPS doesn't work. You can't see the sun. Bluetooth. Saying there's no warning lights, which is good. And these are all your various safety settings. So I think that's a lane departure setting. And there's various sort of settings. So it'll stop if you're going to run into the back of someone. If you run out of your lane, it'll tell you to get in your lane. It's sort of getting very close to driving itself, isn't it, these days? Which are a lot of the modern cars do have. So, lovely car. Cruise control, look at that, still got the protective wrapping on that. And obviously we've got things like speakers and various phone settings. Look at those, look at that tread. Look at that engine. Look at those bolts. Lovely, clean, shiny bolts. I love clean bolts like that. I love clean wires like that. It's lovely. So there you have it. That's a beautiful, pretty much brand new Toyota Landcruiser. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.